In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to redeem coins subscribed on Flexible Savings with Binance Earn. If you're managing your investments on Binance's Flexible Savings and are looking to access your funds, you're in the right place. This process is quite straightforward and takes just a few minutes. Let's dive in and get started. First, open the Binance app on your device. It's always a good idea to ensure that your app is updated to the latest version for a smoother experience. Once you're inside the app, you need to navigate to the Earn section. You can find this by looking at the bottom navigation bar. Tap on Earn to proceed. This section is where you manage your various financial products on Binance, including savings, staking, and more. Now once you're in the Earn section, scroll down the page. You're going to look for an option that says Manage Redemption. It's crucial that you don't rush through this part. Take your time to locate it. Tap on Redeem once you've found it. This action will lead you to the next step in the redemption process. As you proceed, you'll be prompted to choose the savings products you currently have under Flexible Savings. Here, you'll see a list of assets that you have subscribed to. You'll need to select the specific asset you wish to redeem. To do this, simply put a check mark on the radio button next to the asset's name. Take a moment to double check your selection. It's always good to ensure you're redeeming the correct asset, especially if you have multiple assets. Once you're sure about your selection, go ahead and tap on Confirm. This step is crucial as it finalizes which assets you're choosing to redeem. At this point, Binance will process your redemption request. You'll receive a confirmation message or prompt from the app. Your funds will now be returned to your Spot wallet. The Spot wallet is the primary wallet on Binance where you can hold, trade, or withdraw your currencies as needed. It's worth noting that once the funds are back in your Spot wallet, you might want to consider what your next steps are. Maybe you want to trade them, hold in a different product, or even withdraw. And there you have it, you've successfully redeemed your coins from Binance's Flexible Savings. This simple process allows you to regain control over your assets and make decisions on the go. Remember, with Binance, you have the flexibility to manage and maneuver your investments effectively. If you have any more questions or need further information, feel free to explore their help center or reach out to their support team. Thank you for watching and happy investing.